Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can add a table to your documents and text on Google Docs really quickly and without any advanced typing or editing skills whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us get started. So doing this is actually really no rocket science, guys. What you want to do is start, for example, with a blank page like this here for the sake of this tutorial. And what you want to do in the first step is click on Insert here at the top, hover your mouse over table here from the drop-down menu. And here to the right, you will see a list of columns and rows that maybe become part of your table. Now, it's barely visible because it's white on a white background, but if you look closely, you will see that these numbers here at the bottom, like 5 by 4 or 6 by 3, columns by rows, and so on and so forth. So let me go, for example, with a simple 3 by 3 format or table, just like that. So we see the columns, we see the rows here. Now you can, for example, fill these cells with content, type in something. You may also adjust the width and the height of each column and row, just like that. It is actually a rocket science, guys, so you can customize your table just like that. And that's basically it. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.